We are the first year students of Bulacan State University from the College of Information and Communications Technology. So we're here to show you how to assemble and disassemble this unit. So if you want to learn more, keep on watching.
Screwdriver. A screwdriver is a tool, manual or power for screwing and unscrewing screws. A typical small screwdriver has a handle and shaft. Ending in a tip, user puts in a screw head before turning the handle. The shaft is usually made for tough steel and resists bending. And
while removing all the screws, make sure to place it on a safe place. After that, we can start disassemble our system unit. The first thing that we are going to do is to remove all the wirings that are connected to each other. Molex connector. This is used to power various components including old interface, hard drives and optical drives and other exhaust fans.
The P4 power connector. A second connector that goes to the motherboard in addition to the main 24-pin connector to supply dedicated power for the processor.
Bridge connector. These are the other smaller connectors that go to the various disk drive of the computer. Most of them have 4 wires, 2 black, 1 red, and 1 yellow.
While the 4-pin ATX connection found in newer ATX motherboard wherein the P4 connector of the PSU is connected to give dedicated power to the CPU.
SATA connector. It is a new type of technology used by hard disk drives, solid-state drives, and optical disk drives.
Is a standard type of connection for storage devices in a computer. IDE refers to the type of cables and ports used to connect some hard drives and optical drives to each other and to the motherboard.
Power supply unit. Power supplies are quoted as having a certain power output specified in watts. A standard power supply would typically be able to deliver around 350 watts.
Random access memory. RAM is used by the system to store data in the form of files for processing by a computer central processing unit, also known as the processor. tried this. It's an electromechanical data storage device that uses magnetic storage to store and retrieve digital information using one or more rigid rapidly rotating disks.
A CD-ROM is a CD that can be read by a computer with an optical drive. The ROM part of the term means the data on the disk is read-only, cannot be altered or erased.
A motherboard is a main painted circuit board found in general-purpose computers and other expendable systems. It holds and allows communication between a crucial electronic components of a system, such as central processing unit and memory, and provides connection for other peripherals.
Brush is the tool that we are going to use to clean the parts of the CPU. After making sure that all parts of the CPU are clean, we are going to bring back all the parts on its proper places. Make sure that you tighten all the screw when you are assemble all the parts of the CPU.
kinabahan na.